Okay, traders. Now, let me just show you how to quickly and effectively identify the risk on, risk off sentiment. Okay, it's very prominent in the market, probably ever since the global financial crisis around 08, 09. Okay, now what you're looking for, and I've got my template set up just to identify this, right? And I'll show you some more extensive templates. You can really take it to the next level. Now, what we're looking for, okay, the driving force, generally speaking, is the US equity futures, right? If they are going down, what we're looking for a risk on, risk off profile is, if I just draw a line there on the majors, a risk off profile would be US equity futures down, Aussie, Kiwi, sterling, and euro going down, and the dollar pairs going up, right? That's your classic risk off profile. And vice versa, if we had the, let me just change pen color. If we had the equity futures, US equity futures going up, well, euro, sterling, Kiwi, and Aussie would be going up, and the US dollar pairs would be going down. And it's as simple as that. Once you get this in a very clear setting, okay, which is pretty close to it at the moment, the currencies aren't moving too far at the moment, but we are seeing a risk-off profile on the equity indices, US equity indices, and we are seeing the majors there going down, and the dollar, well, it's only going up against the Swiss and dollar CAD today, but generally speaking, in a good match, all the dollar pairs will be going up, Aussie, Kiwi, sterling, euro going down. Now, I can take this to a much bigger level, right? I've got a much bigger screener here where I've got the US dollar against everything, and I can see very clearly if it's going up or going down. Okay, the dollar predominantly going up against everything, that is a risk-off profile. Okay, on a risk-off profile, the US dollar goes up. On a risk-on profile, the US dollar goes down, right? That's what you have to identify. And when you see it as clear as day, you can be very confident jumping into the market, knowing that you've got the market working with you. You know exactly where it's going. All you need to do is keep an eye on the US equity futures or equity indices to see where they're going and see if that sentiment shifts, and you can manage your positions. But that's how simple the risk on, risk off sentiment is.